Yum.
I've got mac and cheese, mashed potato.
And semi-cooked burgers.
It comes with a biscuit. It's good chicken though, like the crisp. Again, that like crunch.
Babe thought we were late for the plane because her phone didn't switch over in time. I came out of the toilet and she's like, we've got to go, we've got 10 minutes.
If you're going to be any longer, I was going to yell out to the toilet.
We really had 2 hours.
Shit, was the plane that late? We're like, we have no time yet. I was like, oh my god.
It's a very weird smell.
So is this?
Just in all of it, in general.
Yeah, not that good.
Yeah.
What?
No.
Oh, that's enough.
Is it really?